Let us see the topic multiplexer, which are also referred in short as mux. Multiplexers are the logic circuits which have several inputs and single output. Let us call this single output as F, and let us denote the input data lines as D0, D1, so on as up to Dn. And what the multiplexer is going to do? It is going to select one of the input to appear at the output. So it can select either D0 to appear at the output, D1 can appear at the output. So the selection is done out of the many inputs, which input should appear at the output. Any one of the input is going to go to appear at the output, and that is dependent on the select lines. So we are going to have Sn number of up to Sn select lines. So we do have select lines to select one of the input to appear at the get at the output. So we do have the inputs, and the number of inputs are dependent on select lines. If we do have n number of select lines, we do have 2 raised to n number of input lines. So in that case, we are going to call this mux as 2 raised to n cross 1 mux. Whatever be the number of inputs, always the output is 1. So if the number of select lines n, the number of select lines, if n is 1, then how many input lines will be there? Input lines will be 2 raised to n. So this is number of select lines. If select lines are n, then how many? If the select lines are n, how many input lines will be there? If n is equal to 1, then input lines will be 2 raised to 1, that is 2. If n is equal to 2, the number of inputs will be 2 raised to 2, that is 4. And if n is equal to 3, 2 raised to 3 will be 8. If n is equal to 4, 2 raised to 4 will be 16. So based on the number of select lines, we are going to have the inputs that are applied to the multiplexers. So first we shall see n is equal to 1. Then in that case, how many inputs will be there? Inputs will be 2 raised to n, that is equal to 2 raised to 1, and that is equal to 2 inputs. So we are going to have in this case 2 inputs and 1 select line, because n is equal to 1, and 1 output. So we are going to have 2 cross 1 mux, and the 2 inputs we shall denote as D0 and D1, and this is the select line. Let us call it as S0, and the output is F. What is output? The output F is either D0 or D1. And if S0 is equal to 0, then D0 will come at the output. If S0 is equal to 1, D1 will appear. So the same we shall represent. So this is the equation of 2 cross 1 mux. So the same is represented here. So what is the thing we are going to represent? Select lines. Select line is S0. What is F? If select line is 0, F will be equal to D0. At the output, D0 comes. If select line is 1, the F will be equal to the input D1. So in the equation we are going to have the multiplication between S0 and D0 and an OR operation. So for multiplication we want the AND gate. Okay, so we are going to have two multiplications, two AND gates are wanted, and to first AND gate we are going to give D0, to one more AND gate we are going to give D1, and this is our S0. S0 is 0 for first AND gate. S0 bar it is, so it is S0 bar, and it is as it is S0 with no NOT gates, it is provided to second input. So what is the output got here? It is S0 bar D0. What is the output got here? It is S0 into D0, D1. So these two are combined together by this OR operation. So we shall put a OR gate here. So add the output F. F is equal to, so what is the F? F is equal to this plus this. First term is what? S0 bar. S0 bar D0. S0 bar D0. Plus one more input is OR S0 D1. So this is the block diagram, this is the equation, this is the truth table, this is the logic diagram. So this is block diagram, this is logic expression, this is truth table, this is logic diagram. For 2 cross 1 mux. So in 2 cross 1 mux, n is equal to 1, so only one select line is there, and if one select line is, if n is equal to 1, how many inputs are there? 2 raised to n, that is 2 raised to 1 is 2 inputs. D0 and D1 are 2 inputs, and F is the output. F is either D0 or D1. When D0, when S0 bar is, S0 is 0. When S0 is 0, it is going to be D0. So when S0 is 0, means S0 bar D0. Or it can be, the output can be D1 if S0 is equal to 1. When S0 is equal to 1, it is D0. So this is logic expression, this is truth table. And here we do have two multiplication terms. So for each of the multiplication, one AND gate, each of the multiplication is one individual AND gate. So two multiplications are there, two AND gates, and this OR operation needs one OR gate. The first AND gate is S0 bar D0, S0 bar D0 to first AND gate. S0 bar D0 is the first output, and second AND gate you will have to provide D1 and S0, S0 D1, and these two are ORed, and F is the OR operation between this input and this NOT. This input is S0 bar D0, this input is S0 D1. Probably you would have